will be the most important topics in 2016? I think there are probably three that I think are really important for customers and vendors alike. The first one will be hybrid cloud, so the consumption of hybrid cloud capability for organizations. I think the second will be around the third platform, so DevOps is a clear example of the third platform. And the third point is all about software-based. So SDN and NFV will be a key theme, I think, in 2016. So I think cloud is a strategic vehicle for organizations from an IT perspective and from a business perspective. It's a key catalyst of change, and I think organizations will make much more use of private as well as public cloud. And subjects like the platform, DevOps, software-based, and cloud implementation will be on a top list for organizations to consider when implementing cloud.
ODCA members get to interact with folks from nearly every continent in multiple different industries, and the combination of service providers and enterprises is very unique. And I think that's where the ODCA is spending a lot of time. We have work groups that are working on hybrid cloud management systems. We have work groups that are working on regulatory and data protection issues, which continue to be an important issue and will only be more important as 2016 unfolds. We have work groups that are working on the financial models and the best practices in terms of where companies are in the cloud, in their cloud maturation. We have a cloud maturity model that helps companies benchmark where they are in their own cloud evolution. And then finally, we are always looking at what's next for 2017. I think the space is moving so rapidly and so fast that we really have these leaders come together, and it's exciting to see where it goes from there. The ODCA was really driven annually by a Forecast event, and I'm excited that in 2016 we will be bringing back the Forecast event, where we bring together global leaders in cloud at service providers and enterprise customers to share their best practices, talk about industry standards, and develop usage models and white papers that can help the industry advance and grow cloud adoption. IT leaders should attend the 2016 Forecast Conference because it brings together a global group of thought leaders from around the world to talk about the latest and greatest issues driving cloud adoption. You really don't want to miss it.
We'll be relaunching Forecast, and as part of that, focusing on a series of themes that bring together not just ODCA members, but experts from across the world, from government, from academia, from our members, as well as other interested organizations. If you're an enterprise IT executive and you're making the case to join the ODCA to your company, there are a variety of ways in which your company will realize value.
The world is in sync, and as compared with 6 or 7 years ago, and when people talk about cloud computing, it's they could think that's a hype.
By joining an organization like ODCA, who had other members who are also moving quickly to cloud. I think Forecast will be a great place for IT executives to learn what other like enterprises are doing, maybe avoid a few pitfalls, learn a little bit about interoperability, help plan their roadmaps for quick adoption of cloud.